and we are growing up without borders.
Getting to Villeneuve is super easy. You can access it by train, by boat, by highway, along the lakefront road, or along the highway which is up above. And when you take the train, it's my favorite because you go all along Lac Léman and you bypass the Chateau de Chillon. Once you arrive in Villeneuve, the train arrives right in the heart of the downtown.
Located in Vaud, Switzerland, which Vaud is a canton. And if you see across the lake, there's France. So we're really close to France here. The population's about 5,800. They speak French here, and there's lots of fun things.
Anywhere you stay in Villeneuve will be proximity to the lake, where you can enjoy these beautiful walkways for miles and miles. You can literally walk all the way to Montreux if you'd like. You can bike it. There's these beautiful little areas that have nature trails. And once you leave the old town, you are right there at the lake. So before we take you on a tour of the top things to see and do here in Villeneuve, Switzerland, let's go get some yummy food. So right now we are about to go enjoy a most amazing dinner at a restaurant called the Oasis. It's right here in the heart of Villeneuve, and basically you get the best sunset view in the area because right here, as the sun goes down, the sky literally turns colors of pink and red, and it's really the best spot to come see the sunset here on Lake Geneva.
Okay, so something from Switzerland is called Riviera, and that's basically their version, their soda, and it's actually based off of milk.
Is it good?
Has a unique taste.
So their menu looks amazing. First of all, it's pretty and colorful, but some of the things they have on here are fish. I'm not sure if it's fish from the area, but they make them with almonds, and well, you see, because that's what I'm about to order. Then they have kids menus, which the kids are super excited about. The other thing that's interesting on the menus that you find in Switzerland, you don't see this in other countries, is you can actually get horse. So if you fancy horse, you can get horse. The other thing you can get, Tyler just said it's quite unique. I don't think it's unique because I grew up eating this, but it's steak tartare. So it's raw beef and they blend it with spices, and it's actually really delicious. So you can get that here as well.
Cheers.
Bush in a distance.
It was from Queen Elizabeth.
Was it a donation or a
Yeah.
gift?
And apparently there's a piano there too.
Oh yeah?
Somebody brought a piano on the island.
Do you believe it?
Yeah, I think Luana went. She said there's a piano there.
I think we're gonna have to paddle out there and go find out for ourselves.
Somebody also said there's dead rats and birds.
Oh, wow.
Mysterious island. And there's sand too. It's sandy.
Got filet de perche with the kind of like lemon sauce to it. Really good.
Look at all the swans there.
Faster.
He's going around.
him, look at him. He's landing right there.
Wow.
Oh.
Today we're going to show you the top 10 things to see and do here in Villeneuve, Switzerland. Come along. Number 1 is the Chateau de Chillon. It is really fun to go and see, and it is walking distance, so you can have a nice view while you're walking. Number 2, fly over Villeneuve. You can literally do fly over Villeneuve. You can go by parapente, you jump over that mountain up there, and you soar above Villeneuve. And something cool as well, if you're here in August, they have a show called Caux, and it basically has all these parapentes who are competing, and then there's like floaties in the water for them to land, and it's really cool.
So I actually did flying over Caux, which is just above there in a distance.
Voilà. Ok, on y va. Vous allez un peu plus vite, un peu plus vite. On y va, on est en vol. Retour là.
Number 3 is definitely enjoy the local pool. This is it in the distance. They even have a diving board that is, I believe, 7 meters that you can dive off of. And of course, there's a beautiful beach here as well, which is just gorgeous.
My brain's got a silly noise. The third attraction to come see and do is Aquapark. It's definitely really fun. It's in Les Bouveret, and there's a whole bunch of water slides, and it's really fun.
Les Bouveret is just a short distance there. One other thing you can do is you might want to rent bikes. There's a stand right nearby where you can actually rent bikes for 4 hours for free, and then after 4 hours is a small cost. And you can go to Les Granges, which is just behind us here. Les Granges is this whole area here. It's almost like a protected area. There's all the different types of bike trails that you can enjoy. There's a bird viewing sanctuary there, and it's absolutely beautiful. One thing you don't want to forget though is mosquito repellent, because there are many mosquitoes in that area. Number 6 is enjoy the boats on the lake. You can take them from all different ports, but if you leave here from Villeneuve, you can go all the way to different stops along the way, and it's absolutely gorgeous.
in Saint-Jean-d'Olf. This is a border town, so you've got Switzerland on one side and France on the other. Oh my gosh, this is like just amazing, eh girls? This is the life in Switzerland. If you get a chance to do it, enjoy the boats while you're here because it's absolutely amazing.
Number 7 is Aquapark. It's a 10-minute drive away from Villeneuve, and it's like tree climbing, zip lining, jumping from trees, and all these fun things. Number 8, paddling. You can rent paddles over there by the marina, or you can even rent them by the pool. They have paddles there, and it's really fun. You go along the lake, and it's nice. Number 9 is come enjoy the outdoors. There's mini golf, there's the campsite over there, there is the park, there's the volleyball net, and there's this big yard, maybe, I don't know what we call it, but a nice big place to have picnics and play different games. Yummy dinner here at the Restaurant du Chateau, and it's like you're gonna eat in a castle.
We're eating in a castle. Don't you think just everything about Europe is so cool? Like,
Yeah.
look at these doors. How old do you think a door like that is? I mean, it's really
Hundreds of years old.
it's beautiful.
Yeah.
And who would have walked through that door way back when? They have this beautiful terrace here, and it's just gorgeous. You feel like you're in the nature in the middle of the little village. I got filet de pêche, which is fish.
And I got this meat on a stone that you cooked, and I love it. And I'm wearing this because it
Smashes up. It comes with all these different sauces. So you get a pepper sauce,
Curry.
Café de Paris, and the pepper.
it's really good.
Yummy or what? What an experience, eh?
Yeah. It's melting. That'd be a good idea to make this ice cream at home. You know, we usually make vanilla. This would actually be better than vanilla. Because vanilla's plain, you know? So where in the world do I find passion fruit? Last but not least is number 10, which is a place called FunPlanet. As you can tell by the name, it's a really fun place to go and hang out with friends or just go have some fun because there's like an arcade, there's go-karting, you can eat, there's a whole bunch of fun. Something you do not want to miss is the medieval garden. It's a community garden right in the center of Villeneuve, and it is really nice to visit.
They have an event here in Villeneuve called First Fridays, and it happens every first Friday of the month. And what it is people put up stands and stuff all over the village, and anyone can come and participate, sell things. And so look what I just found. So if you want to see the most breathtaking views, I highly recommend going over to Glion and Caux. You can get there right from the waterfront walkway. There's actually across the street, right near the Chateau de Chillon, a funicular that takes you up to Glion. And once you're in Glion, you can take a little train up to this area called Caux. What you're seeing here is a hotel management school. If you can imagine, it looks like a castle. And there's all these beautiful walking trails up there. You can walk all the way down the mountain or walk up if you'd like. You could also access it by car or by train directly from Montreux. And once you're there, you're going to enjoy the most breathtaking views of the Swiss Riviera below.
Thanks for watching our tour of Villeneuve, Switzerland. Please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. And leave a comment down below where you're watching from. We'll see you next time. Bye!